Markets ended October like a car skidding on black ice, moving fast but with zero consensus. A narrow tech rally in the US, mixed signals out of China, and central banks reading from 3 different playbooks. This week wasn't just noisy, it was pure macro whiplash. So let's break it down. In the US, the story was all about mega-cap dominance. The Nasdaq popped 2.2%, powered almost entirely by Amazon, Alphabet, and Nvidia, which just hit a jaw-dropping $5 trillion valuation. But here's the twist. The Fed cut rates by 25 basis points and immediately killed the buzz. Chair Powell made it clear, a December cut is not guaranteed. That's the kind of cautious tone that sends bond yields higher, and traders guessing what happens next. Across the Atlantic, the European Central Bank stood perfectly still. No policy change for the 3rd meeting in a row. Inflation? Cooling fast. Headline CPI at 2.1%, basically target level. The Eurozone grew slightly faster than expected, and the UK even showed a housing rebound. Europe's message, calm for now, but only if global risks stay contained. In Asia, Japan's Nikkei soared 6%, its best run in decades, fueled by hopes of a massive fiscal stimulus package and a patient Bank of Japan. But that came with a warning. The yen plunged to 154 per dollar, right near intervention territory. Meanwhile, in China, optimism fizzled. Yes, there's a 1-year US-China trade truce. But Beijing's 4th plenum disappointed. All talk, no concrete stimulus. Markets wanted specifics. They got slogans. As we step into November, the data calendar looks loaded, if it even shows up. A potential US government shutdown could delay critical releases like non-farm payrolls, leaving the Fed and investors flying blind. Top risks: data disruption, Fed policy confusion, China's fragile confidence, surprise geopolitical flare-ups, and that all-important Bank of England rate call on Thursday. Bottom line, markets are narrow, nervous, and leaning on hope. Before you chase the next breakout, pause. Listen to what the data is whispering, not what the headlines scream. Like, share, and subscribe if you want the real market signal, not the noise. And catch the full episode of Global Market Briefing for a deeper dive into what's really driving the world's money flow.